has just shocked the market with the biggest increase in more than 20 years. It's Friday, May 6, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report. The Feds raised the rate 0.5% in an attempt to stem the rising inflation. Meanwhile, all counties combined, there are 931 properties for sale, with 193 properties coming to the market since last week's report. 96 properties are temporarily off the market, 92 properties went under contract in 11 median days since last report. 126 properties went to pending in 7 median days. 205 properties settled in 8 days at 100% list to sale ratio. The highest sale over the past week was in Graysonville for $3,250,000. Rentals went up again this week to 47 properties at $1,900 median lease price. That's the Maryland Eastern Shore report for Friday, May 6, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week.